It's really a great learning, first thing, and it helped me come out of my that negative mindset. I am a single parent, as I have told in the initial thing also, and it's past 4 5 months I am out of my job also. And last time when I spoke to you, you said you are not in the job. It means it's a really great opportunity for you. You can invest your time, your energy, your knowledge, and all. And it really helped me out. The cakes I used to make earlier as like a general homemaker or so, it was from YouTube or taking some recipes, following it and doing it. But now when I'm doing it, and the last cake which I had done, which I had that decoration, which was a strawberry compote cake, that was one of the best cakes. I felt that everyone who saw it, they were like, best, this is the best design that you have done. And my son, I had made a chocolate mousse cake day before yesterday. It was just for him that I had made. And frankly speaking, I have learned over here, out of the remnants that we have, what all can be created, like popsicles, maybe cake jars and all. He was so happy that I made cake jars out of the last order remnants that I had done. He ate it very nicely. So this is one thing which I am learning, like not to waste out anything. Out of the available resources, what all can be done. And as an inspiration from there, and when I took that, yes, this can be a great opportunity for me, where I can go ahead, आगे निकल सकती हूँ इसमें, घर से ही कुछ अच्छा कर सकती हूँ. Orders उतने ज्यादा नहीं है, but yes, I am trying to put in my effort to get into the order. Why everybody is telling me when I put it on my WhatsApp group, no, in my WhatsApp status, cakes and all, today's order, or so everybody tells you right directly, no, you can say that DM for orders and all. I tell them only one thing: I am waiting for my license, because as I have learned over here, that is one important thing. People who trust and give me orders, I am very faithful to them, that there is no damage on part of their health from my side. But people who are dependent on them and then giving me an order, I want them also to be assured that license is something which I'll get. And God's grace, I have spoke to an agent and he said this week he will get it done for me. So I'm just waiting for that, and once it is done, then I'm very free. That little hesitation which is there, no, that will also go once I'm into it. Then I'll be very sure of it ki ha, I can go ahead and do it. That is one thing. And in the diamond program, it is not something like which I'm promoting or anything, but it is something really very important that we are learning. Small nooks and notes, and that we do, small mistakes that we do, everything. Like my photography was not good in the initial stages, but now I have learned seeing at other pictures, other people being posting in the group, what all they do. There are so many people, like I feel ki being a housewife also or a home baker also, they have so much of creativity. So that is something which is passionating me to move ahead, and that is why I have joined Diamond course also, wherein like I am learning now baking cookies and all. Cookies to are like just custard cookies and Jim Jam cookies. I just keep on baking. Whenever like my son orders, it is like immediately do it. Now I have come to my hometown. My mom is like, मला आता कधी करून घालणार, because I have not baked anything over here, and neither she is come to my place Bangalore where she can eat. Last week I have couriered some of the things to my sisters through them, but to my mom she is like eagerly waiting. What will you bake for me? Because she is
Lovely.
one of the supporter for me. Okay, go ahead and do it. In spite when I had that crunch of money and all, family is the one thing which supported. My mother-in-law also, she is the best critics and reviewer for me. Whenever I do anything, even a normal check which I do, cake done check, that also I saw, is it been done corrected, do you see anything is sticky or so? If she says yes, it is all clear, I take it out immediately. So that is there. Community members are such a blessing over here. Maybe Manju, Sneha, then there are other peoples. They are so much like, you put something, maybe you can need to wait hardly for an hour or two. You will be rushed with the comments and the reviews, and or maybe like their ideas what more can be done. And every time it is that they will not tell you that this is something wrong that you have done. Even if it is not good, they will tell you you have a scope of improvement. It is a positive attitude that keeps going on. Nobody is pulling you down over here. Everybody is trying to push you up or take you up along to their level. So I have seen many of people over here who are growing. I also want to grow.
Lovely. Lovely. Suchita, thank you so much.
Many gratitude and thanks to you.
Thank
You
you
are
so
such a great mentor that just from baking, I had never thought I would had made such beautiful cakes. Icing so was not a part of my cake, I can say. I had never done it. Just baking dry cakes or tea time cakes while using YouTube. I had never thought in my life that I would get something like as Tropolite cream to the house, do it, beat it, and then do it. Never. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Suchita, for pouring your heart out. It really means a lot. And I'm very happy that, you are part of my diamond certification program. So, guys, again, just to tell you that, within, after joining immediately within 2, 3, like she is so on to, everything. The moment session happens, she is like, she will start posting, ye banaya. And almost everybody is waiting for her cakes. They give her good reviews as well. So I'm very happy to have such a positive person in my community. Not just that, the very fact that even after having so many personal challenges, she had the courage and confidence in herself that she can do it. And I'm 100% sure you are doing it for your son. So
Yes, it is for him. So whatever it is, I am just doing it for him. So being a soul earner or a soul parent for him, I just want to give the best to him.
lovely.
And this is something like I was doing it as I told, but as a passion, it has come out really well for me. I have got a proper channel actually. They say no that we you need to have a proper channel, a proper community, proper group of people to do it. It is not absurd anything that I am doing. Now I am getting that confidence. Yes, I am into a good team, a good. I have a good member. Anything is there. Maybe your team members also. Maybe it is Sindhu. You ping her anytime. I have never seen that she has. At least she'll say hello, good evening. I will let you know tomorrow. So that
It's very,
response is enough for me. It's
yeah,
not like we need to keep waiting. As I said in the FB group, also, you post any query, whether it is silly. Initially, though, I have posted so many queries, and as a top contributor, Manju and rest all people, they have written so many things back. No, as I said last time when I had posted that dripping chocolate cake, I was very unhappy with it. But there were people encouraging, this is okay, it's
okay.
fine, it's good only, you can do much more better than this. So this attitude only comes where this positivity only comes no when we are into a group of such. I was actually such a negative upset person minded that
Is
any small thing would bother me, any small thing would make me feel irritable. Still I have that traits at time when it comes to me because I feel pressurized. But when I start baking, no, whether I bake a normal, just a vanilla sponge, I start mixing the batter, that struggle automatically goes down. It is
wow.
just a therapy.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing this. I did not know, this side of your baking activity. Like even this side exists to your baking. I did not know that. So thank you so much, Suchita. It was so great to have you sharing your amazing moments inside the community. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best, and I'm
Thank you,
100%
ma'am.
sure you are going to achieve your ideal goal because it is for your
Ma'am.
son. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
thank you.